Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've just got your hotel collection penthouse scent diffuser and want that premium hotel style fragrance in your space, the setup process is the first step to getting the best experience. These diffusers are designed to distribute scent evenly using cold air technology, which means proper setup is important for consistent performance. If something isn't placed or installed correctly, the scent output might feel weak or uneven. Many users rush through the setup and don't get the full effect, even though the device is working fine. Once everything is connected and configured properly, the diffuser can transform the entire atmosphere of your room. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your penthouse scent diffuser step by step. Check these. 1. Place the diffuser on a flat surface and plug it into power. 2. Open the fragrance compartment carefully. 3. Insert the scent bottle securely into the diffuser. 4. Close the compartment tightly to avoid leaks. 5. Turn on the device and set your preferred intensity level. 6. Let the diffuser run and ensure the scent is dispersing evenly.